Sleepy?
Go away.
Landed at the beautiful airport of Las Vegas, and it's amazing because it has slot machines like a casino.
Immediately after we settled in our hotel, we took a stroll down the famous Las Vegas Strip by foot, which is pretty amazing. It's really a busy place with all the people, mostly tourists, along its busy streets. Saw the famous hotels like the Bellagio, the Eiffel Tower, the New York Hotel, the Mirage, Caesar's Palace, and many more. Las Vegas, a city in Nevada, is an internationally renowned major resort city, known primarily for its gambling, shopping, fine dining, entertainment, and nightlife, with most venues centered on downtown Las Vegas and more to the Las Vegas Strip just outside city limits. The Las Vegas Strip is a 4.2-mile stretch of Las Vegas Boulevard known for its hotels, casinos, nightlife, dining, shopping, and shows. Continued strolling along the strip and hurried back to the Bellagio to watch the dancing fountain, which is truly amazing, where water meets the light and swaying to the music of our favorite artists. The strip is truly amazing at night because of the lights, the buildings, and the people that seems to be multiplying in number at this time of day. They say it's when the parties begin. Day 2 of our Las Vegas vacation, and we are heading to an awesome aquarium called Shark Reef Aquarium located in the Mandalay Bay Hotel. Right after we checked out the virtual reality Undersea Explorer, headed back to the other hotels like the Venetian, Bellagio, New York, and the Flamingo hotels. definitely the day wasn't over yet, we decided to end the day with a visit to the famous Fremont Street experience, which surely depicts the Las Vegas nature. Its sprawling 24-hour mall featuring a huge LED canopy, casino, and restaurant access, plus entertainment that includes magic shows, dancing, and live music. Time to end the night, cause tomorrow will be another long day of fun under the Nevada sun. It's pretty warm the following day, yet did not stop us for another adventure ahead. Destination: Hoover Dam and the Grand Canyon.
Kani pag bagyo man ini tumot. Restaurant. Ulan gitu. Lo naik anghel, nagbantay. Naik polis, alien. Naik polis. So. Ito na, nanay nagpa-picture ito. Hindi di polis. Betul. Ang dami na to. Diri gitu, kini mo gini. Saya mau gini. Dito puting dagan sa kuan. Oo. Pero nagguba man nila. Ya ayos siguro na. Dayon po. Di ba nagguba man ni? Nagguba man ni, naigo man ni atong kuan. Si kisa tong robot eh. Mo mo kuno toy nakaguba sa dam. Ayo din nila dayon. Kato, sa katong pulis dito tambay way sud. Yung sa ka pulis diri pud standby wa way sud. Yun sila pag-anak sila. Naglakaw. Nagpa-drop pa doon, nagpa-drop. O, bito. Lo pedestrian so, biar disebut. Bito. Lo grabiho. Sakto din tato ng hunong babaw man. Yeah. Ay, bito. Asa mag-parking na? Dari ayo na. Dulu yung open. Die. Available.
Hoover Dam is a concrete arch gravity dam in the Black Canyon of the Colorado River on the border between the US states of Nevada and Arizona. Hoover Dam is as tall as a 60-story building. It was the highest dam in the world when it was completed in 1935. The Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon carved by the Colorado River in Arizona, United States. The Grand Canyon is 277 miles, 446 kilometers long, up to 18 miles, 29 kilometers wide, and attains a depth of over a mile, 6,093 feet or 1,857 meters, as per Wikipedia. Grand Canyon National Park is one of the world's premier natural attractions, attracting about 5 million visitors per year. Grand Canyon National Park's South Rim, open all year, is located 60 miles north of Williams, Arizona, via Route 64, from Interstate 40, and 80 miles northwest of Flagstaff, via Route 180. The Grand Canyon lies entirely within the state of Arizona. Hershey's Chocolate World Las Vegas is a unique and delicious retail experience that offers more than 800 Hershey's chocolates and candies in the famous New York Hotel and Casino. The store features a sculpture of the Statue of Liberty made out of almost 800 pounds of Hershey's milk chocolate. The Venetian, Las Vegas, USA, is a luxury hotel, casino, convention, resort, and entertainment. Off to another landmark in Las Vegas, world-famous gold and silver pawn shop, home of the famous reality show porn stars. The place was packed with tourists and locals alike, but there was no sign of the famous porn star celebrities. While we await for our flight back, Ember decided to have her ears pierced, and she was very brave indeed.
What was that? You already did it?
It's okay.
You're done. You did it.
Great job, Ember.
Good? How was it? How was it? How was it?
I have a cool mirror. Look at those
That must be a Vegas mirror. Yeah.